Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about daily routines. All the things we do every day, from morning to night. Along the way, I'll teach you useful English words and phrases. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so just relax, listen, and learn with me. But first, a small request. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak. It really helps. Okay, let's talk about our day. Part 1. What is a routine? First, what is a routine? A routine is the things you do every day, in the same order. For example, I wake up, I make coffee, I open the window, every day. That is my morning routine. A routine is like a plan, but every day. And everyone has one, even if it's a little different each day. Part 2. Morning routine. Let's start in the morning. When my alarm rings, sometimes I press snooze. Do you know this word? Snooze means you stop the alarm for 5 more minutes and go back to sleep. But be careful. 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, and then you are late. After I wake up, I get out of bed. Get out of bed is a very common phrase. Then, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. These are the basics. We all do this every day. Then, the most important thing. Coffee. But before my coffee, I open the window for some fresh air. The fresh air wakes me up naturally. Part 3. Breakfast and getting dressed. Next, breakfast. Breakfast is important. When I have time, I eat toast with butter. Quick and easy. Or something healthy, like yogurt with fruit. After breakfast, I take a shower. And I get dressed. Now, getting dressed can be a problem. I open my wardrobe. Wardrobe is where I keep my clothes. I look inside and I think, I have nothing to wear. Here's a smart tip. Choose your clothes the night before. Before you sleep, you pick your outfit for tomorrow. In the morning, no thinking. Just put them on. It saves a lot of time and stress. Part 4. Going to work. Now, it's time to go to work. How do you commute? Commute means to travel from home to work every day. Some people commute by bus. The bus can be very crowded, with many people. On the bus, you can put in your headphones and listen to music, or a podcast, like Daily Speak. Other people commute by walking. A morning walk is very peaceful. Peaceful means calm and quiet, with no stress. You can look at the trees and think about your day. Part 5. At work and lunch. When I arrive at work, I make a coffee. Then, I check my emails and I start my tasks. Tasks means the work you need to do. At lunchtime, you can buy lunch near the office, like a sandwich or soup. Or you can bring your lunch from home. Bringing lunch from home is cheaper and healthier. A lunch break is important. Your brain needs rest too. Part 6. The afternoon. Now, the afternoon. Around 3 o'clock, many people feel tired. Your eyes feel heavy. Your energy goes down. This is very normal. What can you do? You can have a small snack. A snack is a small amount of food, not a meal, like an apple, some nuts, or a banana. You can also drink some green tea. Green tea is lighter than coffee, and it helps you feel calm. Part 7. After work and evening. After a long day, you feel tired and ready to go home. The best moment is opening your front door. When I get home, I take off my shoes. I change into comfortable clothes, a t-shirt and soft pants. Then, I sit on my sofa and do nothing for 10 minutes. Even 10 minutes of quiet is very good after work. Then, dinner. Some people cook. I like to make simple things, like pasta, eggs, or soup. Cooking can be relaxing. Chopping vegetables, listening to music. Chopping means cutting food into small pieces. Part 8. Night and bedtime. In the evening, after dinner, you can relax. Watch a series on TV, like a comedy. Laughing helps you relax after a long day. Or, read a book before bed. Now, here's an important tip about sleep. Try not to look at your phone before bed. The blue light from your phone tells your brain it is daytime, so it's harder to sleep. Try to put your phone down 30 minutes before bed. Your brain will thank you. And remember, some people are morning people. They wake up early and sleep early. Others are evening people. They stay up late. Both are completely normal. The important thing is to know yourself and make a routine that works for you. So, let's quickly review. Today we learned about daily routines. In the morning, we wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth, drink coffee, and eat breakfast. Then we get dressed and commute to work. At work, we check emails, do our tasks, and take a lunch break. After work, we go home, relax, cook dinner, and then sleep. You did such a great job today. Here's a question for you. Are you a morning person or an evening person? And tell me one thing you do every day. Write it in English in the comments below. I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more everyday English. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.